Okay, first things we're going to do is we're going to practice NAS. Okay, so you can see NAS on each one of these. What does that mean? Okay, there's a page in Canvas and you're going to see this rules for drawing Lewis dot diagrams. Okay, NAS, needed, available, shared. And what are we talking about? We are talking about valence electrons or electrons in general. Okay, needed. That's what N stands for. The number of electrons needed. All elements need 8 electrons with the following exceptions. Hydrogen only needs 2 electrons to be happy. Beryllium only needs 4 electrons to be happy. And boron only needs 6 electrons to be happy, but everybody else needs 8. Remember, I 8, I full. Okay, so let's look at needed. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our chemical formula. Here we've got 1 boron. Make a little chart here. I've got 1 boron, put a 1 there, and I've got 3 chlorine atoms. We're talking about atoms. Okay, so needed, available, shared. So how many electrons does this boron need to be happy? Well, it says everyone needs 8 except for these 3, and boron is an exception. So he needs 6 to be happy. Okay, and then I'm going to add my chlorine. How many does chlorine need? Well, again, he's not one of the special ones, so he needs 8. And how many chlorine atoms are there? There's 3, so I need to multiply that number by 3. And then I do the math. So 8 times 3 is 24 plus this 6. And we didn't multiply it by anything because it's just 1 boron atom. So that's a total of 30 electrons are needed for this structure. Okay, A. What's A stand for? The number of available electrons. Okay, these are your valence electrons. Okay, number of valence electrons available. So I'm going to pull out my periodic table here. We're going to look at these. All right, let's remind ourselves. If you have your colored periodic table, you should already have this on here. So here's boron. He's number 5, and he's in group 13. So how many valence electrons does he have? He has 3 valence electrons. So he has 3 available, and there's only 1 boron, so I don't have to multiply by anything. Plus, I've got this chlorine, okay? And let's find Mr. Chlorine. Here's Mr. Chlorine right here. He is in group 17, so he has 7 valence electrons. So I'm going to put 7, but again, I need to multiply by 3 because there are 3 chlorine atoms in our formula. Okay, and again, we're going to do our math. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is a total of 24. Okay, so now all we have left is the S. So let's look back at our notes here. S is the number of shared electrons. So how do I find that? Well, it says right here, N minus A equals S. So we're just going to subtract A from N. 30 minus 24 is 6. So according to this, when we draw our Lewis structure, it's going to have 6 shared electrons. Okay, needed, available, shared. All right, so your job right now is to do the NAS for each one of our molecular structures here on this page and on the next page. Okay, do all your NAS and then come to me and I will check it for you before we continue drawing structures. Okay, if you have any questions,